Why, this car is automatic. It's systematic. It's hydromatic. Why, it's greased lightning.
Greased lightning.
We'll get some overhead lifters and 4-barrel quads, oh yeah.
Keep talking, whoa, keep talking.
Fuel injection cut up in chrome-plated rods, oh yeah.
I'll get the money, I'm to get the money.
With the 4-speed on the floor, never waiting at the door.
You know that ain't no shit. We'll be getting lots of tin. Greased lightning.
Go grease lightning, you're burning up a quarter mile. Go grease lightning, you're coursing through the hip-lap drive. You are spring, the chicks are cream. For grease lightning, we'll get some purple French tail, that's 30-inch guns, oh yeah. A Palomino dashboard and dual muffler trims, oh yeah. With new pistols, clubs, and shots, I can get all my rocks. You know that I ain't bragging, she's a real pussy wagon. Grease lightning, go grease lightning, you're burning up the quarter mile. Go grease lightning, you're pushing through the hip-lap drive. You are spring, the chicks are cream. We're grease lightning.
Has me a blast.